guys, it's Britt. I just wanted to come to you guys and say hey. I guess it's been a few weeks since I've actually talked to you all, but school started last week and it's been pretty hectic. So yeah, I just wanted to come say hey. Yeah, my hair is a mini twist right now. I did these like 2 weeks ago. I think they still look pretty nice actually for 2 weeks. Actually, I did my twisted record timing. Usually it takes me like 2 to 3 days because I have a lot of stuff going on. But I was recently transferring jobs from Houston to Austin, so I had to be off work for 2 weeks. So I had some time to do my hair finally, and it took me 1 day to do my hair, y'all. 1 day, and I was really excited. I didn't blow dried hair. You can't really tell now because it's not like elongated right now. But when I first did them, they were like right here, and then as the weeks went by, it just like shrunk up. So I like the better shrunken, to tell you the truth. It's all good. So yeah, for my nails, guys, for my nails, are they fab? What I use, the Deborah Lippmann Happy Birthday polish, and just the top coat. I didn't use the base coat this time because I was rushing, but I used the Neutra Nail for my top coat. Yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. I don't know, just let me know if you guys want me to do any like special videos or anything. Oh god dang, I have a video that I have to do. Actually, I just looked over in the magazine section and I have some videos to do. So I will probably have another video later today actually. But I just wanted to come and touch base with you all and let you know I'm still here. The school started, and yeah. So I'm back at work. My first day back at